Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams and showing you the best front and rear options to keep you safe on the road. Whether it's recording accidents, catching unexpected moments, or just giving you peace of mind while driving, a reliable dash cam is a must-have. We've tested some of the top models, and I'll break down the features, pros, and cons so you can choose the perfect one for your car. Check out all the dash cams mentioned in this video in the description below with direct product links so you can grab the one that suits your needs. Let's start it. 5. WANLIPO A13 Dual Dash Cam. The WANLIPO A13 41080p dual recording dash cam, front and rear, delivers ultra-clear footage, capturing Ultra HD 4K, 3840x 2160p at the front and Full HD 1080p at the rear, with wide-angle coverage of 170 degrees front and 120 degrees rear to minimize blind spots. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it connects seamlessly to the VDOR app on iOS and Android for fast transfers and smart control. No VIP membership is needed for essential functions such as online video viewing, front-rear view switching, playback viewing, video downloading, social media sharing, and camera setup. Developed in partnership with a third party, VDOR is not exclusive, and only certain advanced features, such as video speed adjustment, timeline viewing, and cloud disk uploads, require membership. With intelligent loop recording, a 64GB SD card included, WDR technology for low-light clarity, a sensitive G sensor for impact detection, and parking monitor mode, hardwiring kit required. ASIN B0F1JZR15, the A13 ensures critical moments are recorded and protected. Its compact design mounts discreetly behind the rearview mirror, and with a 1-year warranty plus dedicated after-sales support, it provides dependable performance and peace of mind. 4. WOLFBOX G840S. The WOLFBOX G840S mirror dash cam delivers an unmatched driving experience with its upgraded 4K UHD, 2160p front camera, and 1080p rear camera, capturing every detail in stunning clarity. Its expansive 12-inch 2.5D curved display offers 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, reducing blind spots and blending seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. Equipped with a 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens, plus a smart split-screen function, it ensures a broader, safer view both while driving and reversing. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and external GPS antenna allow real-time location tracking, playback, and sharing via the WOLFBOX app on iOS or Android. Enhanced with WDR and HDR technology, a professional-grade sensor, and a 6-glass lens, it delivers exceptional night vision and balanced lighting even in challenging conditions, while its low reflectivity LCD minimizes glare in daylight. The 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode provides around-the-clock protection, hardwire kit required, and the upgraded USB-C port ensures stable power without overheating or restarts. Additional features, such as streaming media rear view, adjustable viewing angles, and G-sensor recording further enhance safety and convenience, making the G840S a powerful all-in-one solution for modern drivers. 3. SUVCON Dash Cam. The SUVCON Triple Dash Cam offers complete coverage with its 3-channel system, featuring a 170 degrees wide-angle front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera to greatly reduce blind spots. Its IPS display ensures crisp, clear images from any angle without distortion. Equipped with a G-sensor and parking monitor, the dash cam automatically records and locks footage in the event of sudden shakes or collisions, even when parked. The loop recording function overwrites the oldest videos when storage is full, with options for 1 or 3-minute intervals, and it comes with a 32GB SD card pre-installed. For low light and nighttime driving, the interior camera's 4 infrared LED lights and advanced WDR technology deliver sharp, balanced footage in any lighting condition. Designed for convenience, the dash cam features a simple plug-and-play setup, easy windshield mounting, and intuitive controls for effortless operation. 2. IIWEY N5. The IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam delivers complete 360 degrees coverage with 4 full HD lenses, 1080p plus 1080p PlayP plus 1080p, and an alternative 2.5K plus 1080p plus 720p mode to suit different recording needs. Equipped with a 3-inch IPS display, 107 degrees wide-angle front and rear cameras, and 150 degrees wide-angle side cameras, it ensures every road detail is captured. The dash cam comes pre-installed with a 128GB micro SD card, supports up to 256GB for seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest files when storage is full. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi with 2.4 GHz support allows fast video transfer and control through a free Android iOS app. No Bluetooth required. For parking safety, it offers both time-lapse and collision detection modes, hardwire kit sold separately, ASIN B0DHGN RPB9. Powered by a supercapacitor instead of a battery, the N5 operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -4 bowers to 167 bevers. The adjustable 90-degree front mount and 360 degrees rear camera make installation easy, while IIWEY backs the product with a 12-month worry-free service and responsive customer support. 1. REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear. The REDTIGER F7NP Dual Dash Cam delivers Ultra HD clarity with up to 4K, 38 4K 2160p front and 1080p rear recording, ensuring you capture crucial details like license plates and road signs. Equipped with a 107 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lens, it minimizes blind spots and provides comprehensive coverage in unexpected events. Its advanced f1.5 large aperture 6-layer optical lens, paired with HDR WDR technology, delivers superior night vision for crisp footage even in low light. With built-in Wi-Fi and the REDTIGER app, you can easily view, playback, download, and share recordings directly from your iOS or Android device. The integrated GPS logs your driving route, speed, and location, viewable on Google Maps via the app or PC software, ideal for providing solid evidence if needed. Reliable safety features include loop recording, a G sensor that locks collision footage, and a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode, hardwire kit required. Backed by an 18-month assurance and satisfaction guarantee, the REDTIGER Dash Cam offers dependable performance and peace of mind, with the option to power it via your car's cigarette lighter or an optional USB-C cable, ASIN B0D76C MPF. That wraps up our look at the best front and rear dash cams you can get right now. Whether you're after crystal clear footage, reliable parking mode, or great night vision, there's an option here for every driver. If you're ready to grab one for yourself, I've linked all the featured products down in the description so you can check the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest picks. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.